You search for how to buy shares of Concurrent Technologies Plc, an engineering and defense technology firm listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker CNC.L. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker CNC.L into the search field to find the company. Then select the matching LSE listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary in the price chart to understand recent price movement. Confirm the listing is Concurrent Technologies Plc before you proceed. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform.